The art of improving daily habit. The quality of our life is not determined by a few grand, pivotal moments, but rather by the sum of our daily habits. That routine often performed on autopilot are the silent architect of our long-term health, success, and happiness. Improving them is a journey of self-mastery, one that begins with understanding the cause magnitude of habit information. The course routine reward love to build a better life. We must deliberately hack this loop, replacing all negative programming with new, empowering action.